Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. As most of the students who are going to appear in this upcoming December 2023 for CA Foundation, Chartered Accountancy Foundation examination. So for them, the institute has clarified that the existing system, which was the old system of 4 paper, 100 marks each, economic BCK, math stats, accountancy and law, the same system will be continued. No changes in the subject, no changes in the syllabus, nothing at all. In the same fashion, CA Foundation examination will be conducted. So it is damn clear that December 23 exam will not be under any new syllabus, any changes in the examination pattern, no change at all. So kindly concentrate on the examination. And we have CA Foundation paid batches which are already going on, and now after the 12th result we are again going to start with the new batch. You are requested to please take the admission from the website which is available on our Unique Ambitious Commerce Academy. Thank you so much.